So we are going to pick up our trailer tomorrow. Well, we're driving up to Indiana tomorrow, stay in a bed and breakfast overnight, and then pick up our trailer the next day. But guess what just happened to me last night? Oh, Ford, what you doing to me? You're killing me. P0170, fuel trim, bank 1. Let's see if we can figure out what this guy does. He's got an interesting philosophy for the cooler there. So this code seems like an odd one for a Ford to throw, so I checked everything that I could. Seems like maybe it's just driving fine. I'm gonna try maybe just clear it and see if it'll come back. But if the truck's driving fine, I'm just gonna drive it, risk it, I guess. I ain't got anything else I can do with it. Truck is a little on the dirty side. Not perfect, but it looks quite a bit better right there. We are on I-65 heading north, gonna go pick up our trailer. We're heading to Napanee, Indiana. That's where InTech Trailers is located. And it's gonna be a little bit of a haul. We've got over 6 hours there on the old GPS Estimatron. Yeah, I guess we're gonna go pick up our RV. Oh, I guess the box, right? We're gonna build the RV, right?
Right. Hi, Titus. We are excited.
Very excited. Stopping for a pit stop, eh? What do you got there, dude?
A peanut.
Yeah, you like peanuts? Hi, Mama. Into our bed and breakfast here. This place is absolutely gorgeous. And I think Tatiana's in here. This is a little sitting room. This place is a Victorian bed and breakfast in Napanee. If I'm saying Napanee right, I'm not quite sure. This is the dining room. What do you think, hon? You feel all proper?
No. This is beautiful.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? You want to go show off our room?
Yes. Sweet.
Comfy room. Oh, and we gotta show the bathroom. Yeah.
I'm going to take this off first.
1887 tub. That tub is over 100 years old. Don't make them like that anymore, do they? I think we're gonna sleep well tonight, huh? And then tomorrow, go pick up our trailer. Well, that's a little bit of a plot twist. So, ran the truck for like half an hour. Everything melted for the most part, except for one unpleasant little thing here. Oh, hey there, little guy. You're locked, aren't you? Hey, hon, what time is it?
It's InTech time.
All right, let's get it done. Just pulling in. I think that's our baby right there. Oh my goodness, hon.
Be careful, don't.
It's so real.
hit it.
It's so real. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? Okay, so the plan is to, they're gonna get a forklift, lift it up, and we're gonna put some wood underneath the jack. And then that'll allow me to hitch up. Alright, first time hitching up here. May change this guy out to an automatic, we'll see. Cold truck, and a nice ice cold trailer, about to hit the road. It's gonna be a little bit snowy today, at least until we get through Indianapolis. And there she is. What do you think, baby?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. You ready to start building?
Yes.
Let's start building. Love it, love it. Let's get on the road. Give it a hug. How dirty that trailer is. What do you think, Mama?
I'm hungry.
Okay. What do you think about the trailer? It's all right,
awesome.
I guess.
It's awesome trailer. We need to now build it inside.
Sounds good. Okay, so it got a little late on us, but our new trailer is officially home. So we've got it all parked back here and just on the side of the driveway here. And luckily, so you know, normally you have the, I guess would be the curbside that has the RV door, but this one is actually on the grass in our yard, which would be terribly inconvenient for working on it. But because we did the whole 2 front doors approach, we got this little door ready to go. Let's take you inside. So here it is from the back looking forward. It looks quite tall, but that's because we've got quite a bit of space here. We've got all this space between the floor and the bottom of the door jamb to fill with a raised floor here. So still, there's quite a bit of room above the head. The windows are all framed, but there's no windows in them. So what we'll do is we'll just, as soon as we get the wall figured out and we can actually figure out our depth, we'll cut these out and install the windows from there. But that's it. She's home and ready to be worked on. And I might or might not be a little nervous. Now we don't have anybody to blame anymore, right? So yeah, here goes nothing.